What's up everyone, it's Ananis. So today I'm gonna make a bit of a different video. I could give you some advice about life, but instead today we're gonna make something new. I'm gonna give you advice on food. How to cook a very good eggs. Let's go. First of all, many of you all could call me a bit crazy because I'm wearing a jacket. Meanwhile, it's very hot outside. But alright, listen to me now. So step number one is find a kitchen. Do you have a kitchen? I'm in a kitchen right now. And then, once you find the kitchen, there is a step number two. And it's called get some eggs. You got it? It's not that hard. And when I say some eggs, I'm talking about 3 to 4 minimum. Alright, so here are my 4 eggs. Comment down below if you're smart enough to find the imposter. But now I'm gonna give you the next step. And the next step is very simple. What the fuck? Hold up. It's called get this big ass beautiful piece of metal that you're gonna be using to cook the eggs. Alright, so next step. If you live in an intelligent house, press this button to turn on the light so you see better. So the eggs look better, you look better, everything looks better, the food is more tasty. Simple mathematics. Alright, if you're not American, put the pan up here where you can make the flames go on like this. Look, this shit doesn't. Oh bled. Oh bled. Okay, never mind. If you are American, put it on the electric part. It's very good. Also, I got the fire working. It's good shit. Okay, now we don't want many people to die making eggs. So when you see these kind of parts on here, right? Yeah, I am pretty sure they're not too eatable. So try to remove them. Anyway, you take the eggs now, and yeah, remove the part. I'm gonna take out a big ass spoon. Now I know you're not prepared for the next part because you say, alright, you put the electricity on, you throw the eggs in and you eat eggs. No. You're gonna need this. Trust me, man. I'm saving your life here. Once you got that, you as well need fork. You need fork. So you can fork the eggs. Eggs? You got the eggs, right? You got the eggs. And you got this hot ass thing here. Now, grab something like your personal tissue. Place it right here, next to this thing. And now you take the eggs, and you put these eggs inside of here. And you make a magic trick with your fingers. And you got the eggs inside. You see this one? Comment down below if you can guess which one of these 4 is the brown one. And you will get a special gift. If you know what I mean. You got eggs in the tissue. Fuck! You throw the eggs away. You pick up the last part of the neck. Throw that away too. You come back here. Now the fun part begins. You have your fork. And you have eggs. And you start doing this. Look, it's very simple. You have a fork. You just do this, you see. You just spin this shit. Like you can do this. I do this first so you know it's better, and then you just do this. And yeah, you do this for some time. Take deep breaths. Take deep breaths. They're good for you. Oh, you're still watching. Alright, now if you were a good boy, your sauce should look something like this. And a very fun hint, this is not a sauce. Turn on the electricity. You grab the fork and you remove the fork. Now this now who is heating. Yeah, this thing is not really metal, is it? I guess I gotta have to turn on the real shit, man. Some people call me crazy because I put the pan on and let it heat up before I put other stuff on. But yeah, put oil on the pan before you put it on the heater. Ah, fuck. I'd officially call this too much oil, but alright, for some people that's enough. But yeah, fuck it. Anyway, you do the tiny little rotations to put oil everywhere on your pan. And then you grab the eggs. You take another deep breath because this is gonna be hard as fuck. And before you do that, we present you the last. Actually, it's not actually even close to the last, but it's a part. Smiley spoon. X. Grab the X. Блед. Блед! Not like that. You grab the X and you pour them inside. Like this. And then you just, you know. That's gonna be painful, boys. But you know what I say? No pain, no gain. And guess what? Pain sucks, but it's what makes you stronger. For example, if I look at myself right now, it's completely my fault this happened. Because I was not careful enough. And so guess what I'm gonna do? Next time, I'm gonna be more careful and this shit's not gonna happen. Use this mindset, brother. Stay hard. Anyways, now that this thing is starting to, you know, get a bit fried up, you do some of these. Just like take it away from the corners, a bit more in the middle, and then you're turning this stuff around a bit like this and this. Also, don't have it on too much flame, put it a bit lower because this knife will heat up too fast and then everything is brown like I have. Блядь. I get these questions all the time. Oh, Ace, but how do you know it's cooked? Okay, I never got this question, but listen, I'll tell you still. This thing looks like it's cooked, but guess what? In the inside, it's not. So, you know, just leave it on for some time. I mean, honestly, you could go eat it anytime, but you might get salmonella, so you know you don't do that. Leave it on like for a few seconds. Come back. Do this. Turn it around a bit. And when you have a feeling they're goodly fucking cooked, you take them out. Also, if this thing happens to you, don't put your paper too close to fire. It might burn and you burn the whole house, and that's gonna be a bit of a problem, yeah, just saying. Also, before your food burns, grab a plate and have it ready for food. Alright, this looks very good. Now you turn off the fire and you grab this. I'm gonna give you some steps how do you need to prepare your food before you actually go and eat it. Stay tuned because this shit is getting real. Once you have your big plate of food and a spoon and a plate, you just, you know, you do some simple stuff. Actually, I won't. Step number 2. You must use the tactics I teach in other videos with breathing. So you take a plate and you take a deep breath. I'll show you how. Okay, food's good. It smells good, that means the food is good. Now, you gotta take some salt. Okay, that was too much. Just put salt on. Use your brain. If you're on bulk and you wanna make this food extra bulky, put in some bread. And now, my friend, if you're okay with having it decorated like this, then it's your time to go eat. Enjoy your well-cooked meal, my friend. See you next time.